What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the EarFun TW100. Right now on Amazon, these have a 4.5 star rating and with Prime it's 50 bucks. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0, which should get you about 50 feet of distance. They are Ipx7 Waterproof, which means that they're pretty much completely waterproof. You can swim with these. They actually have a picture on their Amazon page showing an Olympic swimmer wearing these. So wear them in the shower, wear them in the rain, wear them when you're swimming. That's cool. Now the battery life, they have up to 6 hours of playback time plus an additional 30 hours with the case. Now the case is actually wireless charging. If you have one of those wireless charging docks, you can just set the case right on it and it'll charge it up automatically. All right. Now they have dual 6mm drivers, so they're saying that it's supposed to give you deep bass and crystal clear treble. All right. Ooh, yeah, those are nice and slick. All right, got a box, got some stuff. All right, we got a user manual, a warranty, so 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason, 18-month replacement warranty. They're pretty confident, that's good. We got some extra ear cups, and we have about a foot-long USB to USB Type-C charge cable. That's good, USB Type-C, it's up to date, awesome. All right. Okay. Oh, that's slick. I like the little pill shape. It's nice and small. You've got your USB Type-C port on the back for charging, and you got your LED indicators on the front. Open that up. Oh, it immediately turns on, letting you know that it's got charge. So there we go. Put them in, they're both charging. Nice. And the earbuds, they're very nice. I like the little teardrop shape. You got the EarFun. I think it's EarFun or EarFun. EarFun. Is that what the double dots mean? Do you see that? The double dots, is it EarFun? I think it's EarFun. Anyway, so pretty basic teardrop style looking earbud, looks very comfortable. On the back, you've got your connection points for the charging, and I believe, yep, that's a single press. So probably gonna need the instruction manual to see what it is. So on the left, you've got power, pause and play, and previous and next track. On the right one, you have power, your Bluetooth pairing, pause and play again, and then answer and hang up along with the voice assistant, like Google Assistant or Siri. Oh, that is a perfect fit, yes. And a really nice seal. I like it, they're small, they're black, they're shake test worthy. Nice. Whoa, got a little dizzy on that one. Says connected. All right, let's hear it. They don't get very loud. Is there a volume? There's no volume. I need something a little louder. It's all the way up. It's not very loud. I'm talking like half the volume that I think it should be. And it's holding up to that bass really well. The only problem is these have 0 power. Let's try a little Russ. It sounds really good, man. Oh, wow, these things make a crazy seal. Like they're a really good fit, but so quiet. Let's try Good Mythical. Okay, latency's really good. Let's try back pocket test. It's not breaking up or anything, that's good. All right, let me do a distance check, I'll be right back. All right. Okay, so I got like right at 50 feet and then it just cut out. All right, let's make a phone call real quick. It's ringing in both ears. Wow, are you in my ear right now? Wow, that sounds good. I mean, that sounds really clear. Can you hear me okay? This is crazy. Okay, keep saying something. I'm gonna put one in and see if we can do solo. Go ahead and say something. Yep, I can hear you just fine. Okay, cool, let me try the other one.
Tell me to stop talking.
Okay, no, all right, now you're on speaker.
Hi, everybody.
All right, let's try this again. Okay, now this one didn't automatically connect, so let me put that back in. Say something. Wow, that is really good. That is really good. That's like straight stereo sound directly injected in my ear hole. Okay, so I sound loud and clear? It's like I'm on the phone. Cool, yeah, you sound really clear. Okay, thanks, babe. Okay, bye. So phone test is really good. It actually sounded really good, almost as if like just from being on the phone, the volume level was increased like maybe 20%. Like it sounded really good. Surprisingly, God, I can't hear myself. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Out of all the phone tests I've done, this has the clearest audio from my end that I've ever heard. It sounds super, super clear. Now, I did notice that you can use the right one independently, but you can't use the left one independently. I prefer true wireless earbuds. I think it should be a standard with all true wireless earbuds. You should be able to use them independently of each other no matter which one it is. Just that simple. All of them should do that. I don't think that should even be a question anymore at this point. True wireless earbuds should work independently of each other, no matter if it's left or right. That's my opinion. Okay, so I like these. I like the design of them. I like how they're super small. I like the charge case. It's very small pill shape, very simple, and it's got the wireless charging, which is cool. They're very comfortable. They create an amazing seal in my ear. Talking on the phone, the volume sounds amazing. It sounds so clear, like surprisingly kind of shocking how clear it sounds, but just listening to just anything is really quiet. I mean, it's real quiet, like 50% of the volume quiet. EarFun. Thank you for sending these to me, but I would definitely say change the volume level. Other than that, I think they're great. They're ergonomically comfortable, they seal really well, the controls are basic and simple. It'd be nice if they had volume control on here independently of the phone. I think that would be a big plus. How do I even word this? If decent volume is not your game, and you want very low volume just all the time, either completely mute or just really quiet, then these might be for you. These definitely might be for you. Honestly, I think these are definitely a winner in every aspect except the volume. That's it. That's the only thing wrong with these. I think they're great. I think they're pretty nice. And they look clean too. Either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. I don't know if you guys noticed this. You guys see that? It's moving. That's right. I got a new setup for the extra camera. I just got done setting it up. This is the first time I've tried it. I wanted to do a little something. I want to step it up just a little bit for you guys, make the videos a little more enjoyable for you. There you go. All right, I'm done here. Get out of here. Why are you still here? You're watching this? This isn't even the video anymore. Get out. Leave. Come back tomorrow or the next day or go watch another video. Go watch one of those other videos. Those are always good.